Yeah, yeah. I'm feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm flying cloud nine, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo.
I wanna turn those blue lights into strobe lights, not blue flashing lights, maybe fairy lights. Those blue lights into strobe lights, not blue flashing lights, maybe fairy lights.
Blue lights on a high road, I can see them in the rear view getting quite close. Pinching myself with my eyes closed, but I know that this ain't a dream. Flashing lights, sparkling, running through the fence, getting chased through the gardens. Let me tell you how it started. I was with my nigga in the dinger, had to park it. Saw blue lights from the darkness, blue lights then pulled up and darted. Breathing heavy cause I'm sprinting my fastest. My stamina's gone but I can't quit, can't give up, can't slip, can't trip up. Cause the sirens are coming, everybody's hiding or running. I saw the lights but I might just be buzzed.
See the flashing lights as I'm passing by, and I know it ain't for no passers-by. Yo, if I'm a hope that they pass us by, I've been dependent, I ain't trying to go back tonight. I got a dog in the car, a pass to the dark and a half and some Marcus. Now I got an unmarked car behind me and it's right up my arse. Got too much to put it right up my arse. Slow down, let me jump out the whip. Run down the alley, then put down the stick. Left or right, I don't know which way, double meaning. I shouldn't have chose this way, but I'm here. Looking from a poor merc. Para, I ain't trying to miss my daughter's birth. I just wanna turn these blue lights into strobe lights, but right now I got my vision so blurred.